Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a glow animation on your icons inside of CapCut. So we first just need to launch up the CapCut application, and then we're going to head over to import in the top left here, and then you simply need to drag your image over to your timeline. So for this example I'm going to be using this icon of Instagram, and once we've got our icon inside of the timeline here, the first thing you're going to do is head over to effects in the top here, and then you need to come down to this nightclub section. And we need to scroll down, and we're looking for an effect called neon outline. So once you've found neon outline, we're going to drag this to our timeline, and then we're just going to resize the effect so it fits the full frame of our video. We can also adjust the strength over in the right here. So I'm just going to turn this down slightly to around about 50. And then we're going to come back over to the top and this time select filters. And in this search box at the top, we're just going to search for B and W and hit enter, and then you'll need to go ahead and drag this BW3 on top of the timeline here. Once again, we're just going to resize this so it fits the full frame, and the next thing you need to do is come back over to import. And now we're going to add a background of what color we want the glow to be. So I've already got this pink background over here that I'm going to drag to my timeline. Now to find an image is super simple. Just head over to an internet browser and then type in the color that you want the glow to be. So for example, I'm going to type in pink gradient. And then come over to images and then just select one of these images that you'd like to use. And once you've selected an image, we can simply right click and select save image as, and then you're just going to upload this over to CapCut here. So once we've got this inside of CapCut, we're going to resize this so it fits the full screen. And then we need to come over to the right here and scroll down to this blend section, and then make sure blend is ticked inside of here. And we're going to set this mode to linear burn. And then we're going to come back over to effects in the top here. And this time we're going to search for angel. And then we're going to drag this first search result of angel over into our timeline. And once again, you'll need to resize this clip so it fits the full timeline. Then we need to select the angel effect over here, and we're going to adjust the strength. I'd recommend somewhere around about 11. So now we have the icon with the glow behind it. I'm going to show you how you can animate this. So what you first need to do is come over to add keyframe in the right here and just select that. And as you can see, it will now add this diamond icon to our timeline over here. We're then going to drag this playhead around about 10 frames from this first keyframe. And then we're going to adjust the strength here to around about 30. Then once again, we're going to move the playhead to around about 10 more frames. And we're going to then adjust the strength back down to 11. And we're going to do the same thing all the way to the end of this clip here. So once again, I'm going to put this back up to 30. Then come 10 more frames forwards. And once again, reduce this. And once you've finished, if we play this back, you should end up something similar to this. Now, obviously, we can play around with this and we can adjust the strength depending on how far we want this to glow. But it's as simple as that. That's how you create the glow effect inside of CapCut. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.